The 24.1 release of OrCAD X continues to advance usability, enabling you to design faster. You'll now have access to an ultra shadow display mode, making it super easy to find and navigate nets or other parts of your design by brightly showing what is selected and dimming everything else. In addition to this shadow mode, you can toggle between seeing the colors of the nets in either a user-defined color or have the colors be based on the layers and objects in the design. OrCAD X now has a customizable right mouse button menu and shortcut keys for every command. You can dial in OrCAD X with your favorite shortcuts. This gives you access to display options and command options, enabling you to move efficiently while doing your design. While drawing a shape, you're now given a dynamic heads-up display with the length, angle, and radius of the shape you're drawing. While drawing, you can switch between linear, corner arc, or inline arc. This lets you accurately draw your outlines or shapes. Another cool feature lets you make quick work of assigning different unique colors to all the layers in your design. You can also scale the color across the objects on the same layer. OrCAD X continues to allow you to design faster.